Hi, my name is Lisa Harding.
Hi, I am Catherine.
I am Debbie O'Shea.
Hi, I'm Marilyn Griffiths.
Hi, my name is Diolch Harding.
Hi, I'm Amy. I'm the Specialist Children's Community Learning Disability Nurse for the north of Powys.
I started my career in nursing back in 1992. My first role as a mental health nurse was working in an hospital.
I would wholeheartedly recommend nursing and health visiting as a profession.
We are advocates, we're facilitators, we're leaders, we're teachers. One of the great things about working in Powys is that we get to work with such a wide variety of other professions and experience every aspect of healthcare.
Nursing is a role that can change and is very varied. I've gone from adults to children and from learning disabilities to mental health.
I think for me what makes it special is that it's a privilege to support families during good times but also challenging times, and to see people flourish with the right support.
The best part of this job is the people I support. There's never a dull moment and there's always something new to learn.
I am a nurse and I'm here for life.
I'm a nurse and I'm here for life.
I am a proud learning disability nurse here for life.
I am a nurse and I'm here for life.
I'm a nurse, I'm here for life.
I would never change my field of nursing. It's where my heart is. And I'm the lucky one, and I'm here for life.